god. This is amazing. Hey guys, what's up? Luigi AC2000 here, and I don't know about you, but I've heard about this new Cheetos popcorn. You heard me right. Cheetos popcorn, available only at Regal cinemas in the United States. For me, living in the States, the closest theater around me is Cinemark, and Cinemark currently does not offer the Cheetos popcorn. I really want to try it, and if you're like me, you want to try the new Cheetos popcorn, and you don't have a theater near you that sells it, then you're going to want to grab yourself a bag of Cheetos and your favorite popcorn, and you're going to want to make it yourself. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. Let me just pop this in the microwave, pop it up, and I'll show you how to make it from there. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your popcorn here. You're going to take it out of the plastic bag, throw it to the side. And you're going to unfold it here, get it ready. Alright, got that ready. And we're just going to open up our microwave. I'm going to put that in there. Put in the time that we want it. I suggest 2 minutes, 30 seconds, but depending on your wattage, you might want to probably go to 2 minutes or whatever. Just pop popcorn. It's really simple for a start. And we're just gonna sit here and wait for it to pop. Sweet, now you're ready for the next step. All right, so when you get your popcorn all popped up, you're gonna need a few things. Some stuff here on the table. I got a mixing bowl. I have this little thing, I forgot what it's called, but it's like to roll the dough with. You can get this or any other blunt object, or even using your hands. I'll be showing you both my hands and with a blunt object because we're going to be needing to crush these Cheetos. But yeah, also don't forget your Cheetos, your popcorn. Also probably get some Ziploc bags. I recommend maybe getting 2 of them to overlay the Cheetos with, just because the Cheetos can break out of the bag. So what we're going to do now is open our bag. You want to leave it in the bag for now. Don't put it in the mixing bowl just yet. Put that off to the side. We're going to get our Cheetos. Open that up. Alright, my camera just stopped for some reason. I don't know why. But basically what I did was I opened up the bag of Cheetos. You saw me do that, right? Did a little taste test probably. Pretty good, right? And then you want to take your Cheetos, a plastic bag, fill up the Cheetos in the plastic bag all the way up to the brim, like I did here. And then you want to get a second bag to just cover it again, just for extra protection so that no holes and no Cheetos get outside. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need your blunt object to hit them with, and your hands. You want to crush it to be like a fine powder. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, so first method, I'm gonna use my hands. So just crunch it a little bit. Just like pretend this is like someone's face, someone that you really hate. Maybe Donald Trump. I don't know. Someone's face that you really hate. Could be your mom, your dad, your dog. Just keep punching it, and just get all your anger out on the bag. And if that's not enough, you can always get your blunt object and smash it down. Do that until you get a fine powder like this, until it looks like an orange cocaine. That's good stuff. It's like, you know, like the eye crust? This is basically just like cheesy eye crust. It's so good. I'm gonna need some water. Much better, much better. Okay. Get rid of your blunt object, we don't need that anymore. Get your mixing bowl, get your Cheeto dust, get your popcorn. You're going to take that Cheeto dust and then you're going to put in a little bit on your bag of popcorn. Just give it a little bit of like an orange coating. And then you're gonna wanna close the bag up a little bit, shake it up. When that's done, you just wanna keep on repeating the process. Keep filling up your popcorn with some Cheetos dust. Oh, it's so messy. It's so good though. So once you got like the last bit of your dust sprinkled all in there, it should turn out kind of like a orange kind of color on your popcorn. And then you're gonna wanna get your mixing bowl. You're gonna wanna get a few of the Cheetos crunches, put some in there in the bottom, and then you wanna pour in your popcorn, and then keep filling up with more Cheetos. Just mix that all around. This looks extremely unhealthy, and I'm not sure it's gonna really help my New Year's resolution of eating less fatty foods. Oh my god. This is amazing. It has that crunchiness with the Cheetos mixed with the soft crunchiness of the popcorn, the buttery popcorn goodness. So this is how you make your very own Cheetos popcorn. Try it for yourselves, guys. Let me know how it came out. I think I might want to do some more videos like this. Pretty tasty. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please make sure to check out some of my other videos as well. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, and also make sure to subscribe. Also, Happy New Year, and most importantly, have a great day. Oh.